Hello everybody and welcome to the 13th C tutorial, where today we will be looking at Sizeof. Now, a couple of things I wanted to get out of the way. I will be so I haven't uploaded anything for the last week because I have been ill with the rather nasty flu, and also that's about it. I think I was going to talk about something else and then I forget. It'll probably spring back to me in a minute. So today we will be looking at Sizeof. Now, what Sizeof is it looks at a variable or an array or anything else you may happen to put in there, anything that isn't a function name or something, or return or something like that. And what it does is it returns a value, and that value is the integer version of how many bytes there are. So if you paid attention in tutorial 2, you will know that under 32-bit systems, an integer is 4 bytes. And I think it was also under 64 in some circumstances. Oh yeah, that's it. The long is 64-bit and the integer is 32. So we invoke this function like every other through Sizeof, and that's how we invoke it. And what that'll do is it will compute that, and it will return the value. So we can go. Don't forget, whenever you invoke a function, it won't necessarily display anything. It will often return a value. So you can also do this to pointers, by the way, so you can find out how big the address size of your computer is. But when we do this with regular arrays, it's quite interesting because you can assess regular. You can look at the regular elements, or you can look at the entire array as a whole. And unlike in some things where if you just type the name, it will do the 0th element, if you type in the name, it will actually return the whole size of the entire array. Let's do that then. This is going to be quite a short episode because I'm going to do other stuff later on today. I'm not going to introduce anything particularly big today because I am tired and I'm bored, and there's a lot of stuff that is quite complex, and to be honest, I'd like to give you some usability of the language before you get into anything big. It's like what I mean by that is like if you're going to be building, say if you wanted to write a basic text game or something, you'll be able to do just fine with this. But there are other stuff in the language, and I'd like to just give those people who just want to go like, hey, I just want to make a text game, that, and the people that want to make something better, which will probably be a lot of you later on, so I can sort of ease you into it because it's quite a difficult language in some aspects. So let's go and compile this. Again, I said it's a very short episode. I think that's the correct invoking. Yep. Oh, I typed in .o instead of .c. None exist. I'm a genius, you know. As you can see here. Now, if you remember correctly, this is the size of a 32-bit integer. This is the size of a 32-bit integer, and this here is the size of our array. Now, unless you've got quite a short memory, you will have noticed that there are 4 elements within our array. So 4 times 4 equals 16. And that's basically the tutorial. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it. And I apologise for the hiatus that I had. It was a rather nasty flu. And I will see you again next time on the next C and Cygwin tutorial video. Thank you for watching.